Hello and welcome.
A spirited and adventurous young lady representing the letter A.
Creative enthusiast. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rachel, and today we are exploring something truly magical. You know all those static images you've been using? Well, what if I told you that you could make them come alive, speak, and tell their own stories? That's right. In this video, I will show you how to transform your still images into captivating storytellers using Canva. Whether you are a content creator, business owner, or just someone who loves playing with visuals, this trick will blow your mind. Imagine turning a simple headshot just like me into a chatty character, or giving your product photo a voice. It's like adding a dash of Pixar magic to your visuals. Alright, let's get started.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
To create this cartoon animation video from Canva, let's begin.
Learn the alphabet with dinosaurs. Call me a girl. Call me a girl. Let's go! I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a god. They call me a god.
In the heart of a bustling metropolis where neon lights paint the night sky, there's a mysterious shop called Whispers of the Mind. where avatars speak. Inside, screens display avatars that can converse with visitors. Rachel, a curious artist, becomes captivated by the avatar's ability to impart wisdom and knowledge. As Rachel immerses herself in conversations with the talking avatar, she discovers a world beyond her wildest dreams, a realm where ideas flow freely and imagination knows no bounds. Outside the shop, a crowd gathers, their faces aglow with fascination and longing. We're in a world where information is abundant but wisdom scarce. The allure of talking avatars beckons like a siren song, promising enlightenment to those bold enough to listen. Join me as we explore how to create your own talking avatars for free using Canva. For in the age of talking avatars, to remain silent is to miss out on a world of infinite possibilities.
Emily, a vision of grace, glided down the deserted street, umbrella in hand, shielding her porcelain complexion from the midday sun. The rhythmic tap of her heels echoed in the quiet, creating a poetic solitude. In the warmth of the sunlit sanctuary, she reveled in the simplicity of the moment, a solitary blossom.
Like this video if you got value from it and subscribe for more videos like this. Do have a good one.